Adventure of Mr. W by Mr. W. Lagu ini aku nyanyikan, okay, by Mr. W, and check it out. Get ready now. Do you ever feel like broken down? Do you ever feel out of place? Like somehow you do stop alone and no one understand you? Do you ever run away? Do you let yourself free the room? With radio until that's loud, there's no one here to screaming like you don't know what it's like. If nothing feels alright, you don't know what it's like to be like me. To be hurt, to be loved, to be left out in the dark, to be kicked when you're there. You feel right to be what's around, to be any broken down. You know one here to save you, now you don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life.
Good job.
Do you wanna be somebody else? Are you sick as feels lost down? Are you just afraid to find something more? Or you like this over? Are you stuck inside of what you hate? Are you sick of baby running around? What a big piece my ass to beat like. What keeping inside the bleeding? Now you don't know what it's like when nothing feels alright. You don't know what it's like to be like me. To be hurt, to feel what, to be left out in the dark, to be kicked when you're down, to feel like to be forced around, to be any broken down, and no one here to save you. Now you don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life by Mr. W and the Adventure of Mr. W. No one ever flies take to your face, and no one ever stop doing their black. You might think I'm happy, but I'm not gonna be okay. Everybody always give me what you wanted. You never had to roll, give us hours there. You don't know what it's like to be hurt, to feel lost, to be like dark in the dark, to be kicked when you're down, feel like you be forced around, to be on the broken down, and no one there to save you. That I don't know what it's like to be hurt, to feel what, to be left out in the dark, to be kicked when you're down, feel like could be forced around, to be any the breaking down. No one's here to save you, now you don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. Okay, bye Mr. W, and thanks for watching. See you and bye bye.